This is a Discord bot which can be invited to any server. If we want the invite link, we can just type dot invite, and from here we can invite it to any server. Now the commands for this bot are as follows. First one is dot help, which will give all the help we need like for all the commands. Another is dot about or dot abt, which will give us all the details related to COVID-19, like what is COVID-19, what are the precautions and all. Another command is dot symptoms, which will give us all the symptoms like most common symptoms and which are the not so common and most severe ones with a little bit of advice. Another command is dot cases. If we write just dot cases, it will give us the global data of all the cases. Like when we can see total cases, total deaths, deaths per million, cases per million, active cases and all. If we mention a country name, for example, dot cases India, then it will give us the data of only India. If we want the data of a particular state, we can write dot CSA and then the name of state, for example Delhi, and we will get the data of Delhi. Another command is dot trend. It will give us two graphs. First is the comparison between all the continents, and the another is the comparison between all the countries like USA, India, UK and all. Another command is dot VC, which will give us the details about vaccination for the last 5 days, like how many people have been vaccinated. If we mention a country name, for example VC India, then it will give us the detail for only India. Another command is top 10, which will give us a chart of top 10 countries with the most number of cases. An interesting command is .r, which will give us the top 5 Reddit posts in hot section. If we mention .r top, then it will give us the top comments. Then it will give us the top post from the top section. We can also mention .r new to get the post from the new section. If we write dot graph and give any country name, for example USA, then it will give us the COVID graph. Then it will give us the graph for COVID-19 in USA. If we want the graph for global data, we can write dot gg and then pass the parameter. For example, if I write deaths, then it will give us a graph for deaths. If I write dot gg trends, it will give us a graph for the trend globally. Another important command is dot donate, which will show us three major funds for donation against COVID-19. First one is the PM Care Fund, another is by WHO, and the last one is by UNICEF. Another command is dot precautions, which will show us some precautions related to COVID-19. There are other commands too. You can see a list of all the commands using dot commands and try them all.